Welcome to episode number 180. Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta here. Hope you all are doing great in your life and welcome back to another episode of Rise of Inspiration with Sangeeta. Today I'm gonna share with you a story. The story is very simple, but we are gonna collect that story with our thinking pattern. But before going to this episode, if you are new to this channel is all about helping you to reach your highest goal and to be the better version of yourself. Life is simple, do the best. My mission to this podcast is #remove your label, that any kind of label which people have put it on you or you yourself have placed it. So let's remove it together. Let's see what is that simple story, but with a lot of knowing what is a thinking pattern that we all live. There was a small elephant born in a zoo. The elephant would get excited when people would come to see him. He would run all around the cage and scare the visitor. Therefore, to protect the visitor, the elephant was tied to a fence with a chain. Now, even if he tried to meet people, he couldn't do so. Because he was tied to the fence and therefore he could not move much, he could meet and greet only those who went on the side of the fence. Other big elephant would roam the entire area and meet people standing on all the side of fence. The small elephant did not like this and he always wanted to get rid of this chain. One fine day, this elephant thought to change the whole situation, and so he started pulling the chain with all the strength. The chain was tough and fence to which it was being attached was bigger than him. Yet he did not give up and kept trying for several days. Few months passed by and the elephant had started to grow, but the chain was constantly there with him. He would not yet release from it. He thought now it would be good time to pull the chain and get free from this struggle. He put all his efforts but failed. There was blood coming out of his leg to which the chain was tied. He was under medication and zoo attendant had to take care for a week until his wound got healed. The chain was removed from leg, but still he was not left free because the zookeeper thought that he would do this to himself, then he can cause harm to others as well. So they tied the chain of his other leg and his struggle to be free continued. The elephant was unable to understand what was happening. He thought because of his wound the chain was tied to the other leg, but the fact was that he would have to be in the chain forever. He gave up all the tricks and he used before and lost all the hopes. He had formed a belief in his mind that no matter what happens, he will always have to live with this chain. This chain is a part of me, and with this, he had accepted the failure within him. Years passed, but the elephant was now a fully grown up adult elephant, but his mind was still the same. The zookeeper had removed the chain from his leg and he was behaving nicely, but even now, to avoid any kind of unwanted troubles, they had tied him the rope instead of a chain. The huge elephant had now weighted more than 2000 kg, still thought that the rope tied to him was a small chain, which he had tried to pull and had hurt himself. His old belief of failing to escape from the chain had grown even bigger with him. If he had used his strength, he would easily pull out the rope from the fence and removed his leg from it. It was the elephant thinking pattern that always stopped him from taking any action. His belief that he was not able to enough to free himself out of the rope used to weaken him every day, and even thought he weighted 2000 kgs, he still thought very small about himself. His confidence would never be built. This is the perfect example for you to understand how we women being always accept our mind by working on our wrong good thinking pattern. We have been doing this as well. We always stop ourselves from trying different things that can lead us to success. We hold on to our old fashioned thoughts and beliefs that do not let us evolve in our life. If our ancestors had never changed their belief, then our modern civilization won't have come so far. You and I could not have discussed this in this podcast, and our knowledge would not have released such a high standard. If we have a wrong thinking pattern, then it will hold us back. And if you wish to change our life, we will have to delete the existing wrong thinking pattern stored in our mind and give a way to think about our life. Our life responds back in the same way. If we think about mediocrity, then we become mediocre in our life. If we think about success, then we become successful in our life. It's all depend on what we think, and our thinking pattern determines our success. It is not necessary that the source of our thinking has originated within us. Whatever we think today is due to the pattern that we set in our mind. These patterns are either gained from our own experiences or under the influence of others. Many times you will be able to identify people who influence us to think like them. Some of them influence us in a good thought, and some may in their negativity. For example, if you wanted to start a business, then there would be some people questioning your decision, and then there will be people who will stop you from that. They will insist that you are doing some wrong choices in because everyone else has not succeeded in the similar business. Just by sowing the seed of doubt in your mind, you will become doubtful about the success of your business. You will have to stay away from such people as they are creating a negative thoughts in others. This is a small thinking pattern. Check your thinking pattern and evolve yourself in a major way. If you loved this episode, do share with your family and friends, and thank you so much for listening to it. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.